Each Memorial Day weekend, hundreds of thousands of bikers gather in Washington, D.C. Many of them meet here in the Pentagon parking lot. But who are these riders and why are they here?
For my father, myself, and my daughter.
Support the call.
Because I care.
Make the ride every year to remember the POWs and MIAs.
Same thing, POWs, MIAs. We just brought one of our boys from our area home about 2 weeks ago.
For the POWs and MIAs.
I can remember coming back from Vietnam and going to Travis Air Force Base, being advised, please take your uniform off before you go down to the international airport, put on your civvies. So I said, well, why do you have to do that? Been gone for a year, didn't know what was going on. They said, well, you might draw a little attention you might not want. That's not right.
Thunder to remember those who did not come home and heal those who are home. You helped me heal 2 years ago when I rolled across this very stage in a wheelchair. Your welcome home that day and your heartfelt expressions of gratitude for my service gave me more healing power and inspiration and motivation than you'll ever know. Some of you looked at me in the wheelchair and challenged me to ride with you someday. At that time, I still wondered if I would keep my leg, let alone walk. And back at Walter Reed, the doctors did tell me I would never ride again. But you helped me out of that wheelchair, and it's because of you that I am here today and able to ride with you, my fellow patriots.
Jungle. Oh, don't look back to see.
veterans put George Bush in the White House. Nobody else, the veterans of this country. And we decided, because we are veterans and because of our collective experience, that he needed to finish what was started. And by the way, don't get too high horse there, Mr. Bush, because it wasn't so much in many cases a vote for you as it was against a despicable character named John Kerry, who was a disgrace to every man and woman who ever wore a uniform.
On April 9, 2004, our lives changed forever. Our son Matt was captured after the convoy he was in was attacked. On April 16, we saw a video that showed Matt was still alive. He said his name, unit, and why he was in Iraq. We have been told by the military that they are continuing to look for Matt. But as the days go on, it sets hard to understand why they can't find one missing soldier. We try to maintain our belief that they are doing all they can to find Matt. We pray every day God gives Matt the strength to endure each day and to give our soldiers guidance to find him. Love never loses its way home.
There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. I think it's time to stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Remember, some still survive. Some POWs still survive, and we can't stop until they return.
There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds, getting so much resistance from far behind. I think it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
There are 5 reasons why we live in a free country, and they are the Air Force, the Army, the Coast Guard, the Marines, and the Navy.
What if you before the heat? 1,000 people in the streets, singing songs and carrying signs. Mostly say hooray for our side. I think it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Today, for you, and the Vietnam veterans that's here for the first time, this was your welcome home parade.
Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the men come and take you away. Better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
You're here today because you know the price of freedom. And I thank you for your commitment to that cause. And I thank the millions who fought for that cause by your sides. We will never forget them.